In this video, I will show you how to add captions in Heygen. Start by opening Heygen AI's official website and logging into your account. On the left-hand panel, click Projects to see all your saved projects. Select the project that contains the video you want to add captions to, and then click on the video to open it. Next, click Edit and select Edit in Studio at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the studio, look at the top and select Captions. Here, you can customize how your captions will appear, including style, font, and timing. After you've set your preferences, click Generate at the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the title, resolution, frame rate, format, and whether or not to include a watermark. Once everything looks good, click Submit and wait for Heygen to finish generating your video with captions. After processing, open the video and play it back to ensure the captions are synced properly and are easy to read. And that's how to add captions in Heygen.